How do you take an old MP3 file like this and turn it into something like this? You just need specialty software like this. I'm using RipX. I'm able to separate each individual audio signal into its own stem. From there, I can export it to edit further. I bring my audio files into Adobe Audition, EQing each instrument separately. In some cases, duplicating them and applying different effects such as compression for parallel compression and different EQs. One example is the drums. They needed some help, so I duplicated it 3 times and applied different EQ and compression, as well as some different effects like room, reverb, and more. Combined, now my drums sound a lot more thick. There weren't a lot of instruments to edit on this track, so I had to be a little creative. I duplicated the one track that had the guitar as well as an organ sound. Applied a different EQ and some distortion. I needed it to stand out, so I added some stereo enhancing as well as some delay. Now with a lot of my tracks duplicated and compressed separately, I have more material to work with. So now it's just a blending process so the levels sound better. And the original, which was simply an MP3 file, recorded from a cassette, sounded like this. And the updated version sounds like this.